Hello you guys. Are we ready? Because I am. I am tired of looking at these drawers. It's on my vanity. They look a hot mess. We're not looking good right now. We're looking very unorganized. Let's just say that. And I don't like that. It's driving me crazy. You know how there's spring cleaning? I want to do a fall refresh, you know? So I need to go through my vanity. I'm going to clean the whole thing actually. And around it, everything around it. But it's a disaster right now. So I need to go through every single drawer. I'm sitting here right in front of it right now. Look, this is me. Look at it right now. Like I was just doing my niece's hair. So all this stuff is out. I'm watching a movie at the same time. The orchids are not always here. They're like recent because my mom brought them from her job. They were gonna throw them away, but I mean they kind of look cute right there though. I'm gonna go front. Like I kind of like them there, but then I don't like too much on my table. Like I feel like this table is not like it looks like it might be big, but it really is not. I got my Dyson Airwrap right here. I also got my mini fridge, which doesn't even work, by the way. So I gotta get rid of all this stuff. I need to clean it out. And then I got a whole bunch of stuff in these drawers that are just expiring. And I'm hungry. And then I have a mess behind me, like always. Yeah, I just want to do a little fall refresh. I'm tired of seeing my drawers like this. When I'm ready to sit here and start doing my makeup and my hair, every time I open these drawers, I look inside and I'm just like, girl, how? Like how did that happen? When did it get to this point where it became this much inside of here? Like, but we're gonna get rid of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from drawer to drawer first, and I'm gonna start getting rid of stuff. So my top two drawers, there's only 4 drawers on this vanity, which really isn't a vanity. It's a computer desk. So we got this drawer. That's why this opens up like this. Oh my God, everything's gonna fall. But that's why this opens up like that. So I got everything. I got my bronzers, my lipsticks. Actually, these are lipsticks and lip liners. These were lip glosses. This was miscellaneous shit. These are all my eyeshadow palettes. And over here is concealers, blushes, powders, mascaras, and eyebrow stuff, I guess. Yeah. Or eyeliner. And then I got my setting sprays and just like foundations over here. And that's honestly the extent of my makeup stuff, which isn't much, but I still want to consolidate all of this because there's a lot of this stuff here is expired or just like been here so long that I don't even use it. Like I just wasted so much money and it pisses me off. So every time I go shopping now, I try to be smart about the shit that I buy. Like, look, this is Smashbox. Where did I ever use this? I don't even know. Like, what? How did that happen? What happened there? So yeah, I just need to get rid of a bunch of shit. Like a lot of the stuff that I use is just mainly over here. And there's still blushes that I don't even use. Like this is garbage right here. There's blushes underneath here that I need to get rid of. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And I want to bring, honestly, I don't know. Maybe I can just, like all this miscellaneous stuff I can get rid of. Yeah, I can pretty much get rid of literally almost every single thing in here besides my eyebrow glue. I don't even need all these bronzers. I honestly just need these two. Everything else is like old and expired. I don't need it anymore. Then what else do I have? So I'm going to try to turn that into one drawer. And then I got makeup brushes that obviously I need to clean. But then I have just a bunch of other, like, look at this. So I have hair clips. I have like hair stuff, makeup remover, old ass eyelashes that I need to get rid of. I have all my hair stuff right here too that I need to get. I'm not gonna get rid of it, but I need to consolidate it, you know? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this drawer first, and I'm gonna get rid of pretty much everything that I don't use anymore. And that is all bad. Like I have these dividers, but I think I'm gonna end up taking them off. I don't know yet. So this, I don't even know what this is. But it's not good anymore. Garbage. There's some gonna keep. There's some gonna keep. This is garbage. This is garbage. Oh, eyelash glue, you gotta keep that. So this is everything I decided to keep, which actually doesn't seem like much. It looks like I could actually fit all of it into this one drawer right here. Maybe this one. No, I'll do this one. I'll put it all in this one drawer right here, but I just sprayed it. I'm gonna clean it out. I don't think I'm gonna use those same dividers that I had inside here because they get dirty and they keep coming apart. Like they're falling, like not falling, but like they're detaching from, look, it's like loose from here. And also it gets, my makeup gets on the drawer, so I gotta, this is actually different from this right here. I wish this was like this. But yeah, so we're gonna have to take these off and I'm gonna clean this wire. So what I'm gonna do is take these out of here. And I'm gonna use the dividers that I have, the containers that I have. I honestly don't know what containers I have in there. I'm hoping that they're the right size and the right amount for what I'm gonna do in here. But I'm gonna clean these first and then I'm gonna look for the dividers to see which ones fit in here properly. That way I can put all this makeup inside here. And then I could use this for whatever is like in here that I need extra space for in here. Maybe this is gonna work. This is all that fits over here though. This drawer doesn't, it's so crazy. This drawer, no, that doesn't fit. I'm gonna do this for my makeup side, and then this I'll put like my hair ties. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. I can do that. And then I have extra ones, and then I'll just use those in the other drawers. Okay, yeah. So let me start putting everything where it belongs. Okay, so this, I've managed to fit everything in here. Wait, does it close properly? Yes, it does. All right, so these are all my lipsticks and lip glosses that I kept. These are eye things, so like my mascara, my eyeliner, my eyebrow pencil, and then like a waterline pencil, which I have another one by Makeup by Mario, but when I keep it like this, and oh no, if I close it, it doesn't. Okay, I can leave that there then. So this is all my eye stuff. These are all lip pencils. These are all my eyeshadow palettes and loose eyeshadows. These are all my bronzers, which I don't have much. I didn't keep a lot. This is all like skin stuff. So this is my setting powder. This is my Charlotte Tilbury thing. This is the bronzing gel, my foundation, and then my concealers. I only have two, so I just decided to throw those in there with that because this didn't fit anywhere. Then also, this is all my highlighters and blushes. These are the blushes and these are the highlighters that I kept. These are all my pressed powders, and this is all like tools. So it's well, actually tools, and then like my eyebrow gel and eyelash glue. And so then yeah, so everything, I actually managed to fit everything in here perfectly, and it can close without a problem. I'm gonna have to get something for underneath these though, so that every time I open it, it doesn't it doesn't slide. So now I'm gonna go through all of this. I'm gonna go through all this, and I'm gonna go through all of this and get rid of everything that does not need to be here anymore. 50. Okay, so right here, I think I'm gonna do hair accessories. So. Okay, it's now dark outside, but look at how pretty! I got my falsies right here. I got like facial razors, boob tape, regular tape, like scotch tape to do my, when I do my eyeshadow. Then I can put my hair clips right here, all like my hair accessory things, all right here. So it's easier to get to them and I don't have to go looking for them and losing them. It's a lot easier to find them, you know? And then over here is more of like hair care products. And this is my deodorant. I keep my deodorant over here. And then gel, and then like water. This is my nail stuff right here, and the makeup remover, and then all my makeup brushes, hair oils, stuff like that, you know. And then I also have just like in the back here, because I barely use them, is like my my skinny combs, the really pointy ones when I gotta separate my hair, part my hair and stuff. And then I just decided to put my lint shaver in there too. And then down here I can get to all my hair tools a lot faster. And then I couldn't fit these brushes in the drawer with the other ones, so I put them down here. But at least this is now a lot easier for me to get to all my hair tools. There's not so much shit in the way, you know, like all my hair care products. So I can get to everything that I need a lot faster. Now I'm just gonna go through here, get rid of that stuff, and then just clean, wipe down my vanity and the mirror and stuff. And then I'm done. So let's do that real quick. Finally, okay, I'm finished. So I didn't take out the orchids because I need to buy the proper soil and a pot for them, and I'm gonna move them from here because I really, this is too much to have. This is still too much to have on here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet because this is where I like to keep my skincare, and I'm definitely leaving that plant here. I couldn't fit this inside the vanity, which is fine, whatever, I can leave it there. And I also leave this here because I keep my Q-tips and my cotton pads here. But I'm definitely going to get rid of these eventually. I'm going to find a place for them. I'm moving the rollers to the bathroom. And then my workout stuff, I might keep it in here. But I might move it out to the front room too. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I clean the garbage bin. And then look how organized everything looks. I love when everything is organized. Don't mind my table. It's been through a lot. It's whatever. It's what happens when you're getting ready. Oh, that doesn't come off. Wow, this nail polish. Whatever, it's clean. And I'm done. Oh my god. Look at all this stuff. I still have to get all this. This is the hair rollers that I gotta put in the bathroom, and then just like cleaning products that I gotta get rid of. And then look at all the garbage. This is all the garbage I pulled out of there that I gotta throw away now. That's in a bag. There's 2 bags there of stuff that I gotta throw away. These are all the containers that I ended up not using. But It's literally nighttime now. Now I can sit here, everything's nice and clean, and find everything where I need to find it. I don't know about you, but I like when things are organized. I love watching videos like this. I love watching people on YouTube or on Instagram redoing everything in their home and fixing everything. That's it. I'm done. Now I can go get some food and eat and go to sleep because I am so tired. This literally took me out. Honestly, I started late though, but that's all right. I got it done. All the stuff that I used, all of the dividers were all things that I found at Marshall's a few years ago, and they were just sitting in the closet. So if anyone wanted to know where I got that from, he's gonna have to clean his side of the room up too real soon. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Oh my god, you don't understand how excited I am because now I get to eat. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video because I mean, who the hell doesn't love a clean house? Who doesn't love to clean up their mess? I mean, nobody does, right? Who doesn't love when it's organized, you know? An organized life is a good life. It's a peaceful life. So get with it. I hope this inspires everybody to do the same thing. We're going into fall and we need everything to be nice and clean. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.